Hi, my name is Josh Bohrn. I'm a product support specialist for Epiroc here in the underground division. Today we're going to be talking about servicing of the GAR 30 air compressor. The main three components that we're going to be servicing are going to be the oil filter located behind the reservoir, the air filter, and the separator filter located inside the reservoir. One thing that can arise if these filters are not maintained is the compressor can seem like it doesn't work properly, and this can cause wanting to bypass our compressors. The separator filter in particular, if it doesn't get serviced at regular intervals and becomes plugged, it cannot allow air to go into the top of the unloader valve to open the intake so the air can flow into the compressor, bringing the complaint that the compressor doesn't work. Also, the sight glass are located on either end of the bottom of the reservoir. They can be difficult to see, so in lieu of this, you remove the plug and fill the oil to the bottom of the fill neck, and the oil will be in the right position. Thank you for watching today. For more information on this, please contact your local dealer or Epiroc Customer Center. Thank you.